This is a Netatmo outdoor module. It keeps getting out of reach, and it says battery low. The cause is the contacts inside. The contacts for the battery eroded. Netatmo says you may not clean them with liquid. I wanted to know how to take it apart, and I did not succeed the way it should be opened. So let me tell you how you should open it. Of course, you first got to twist, then lift the outer part like this. Well, that's easy. Unscrew the top. And here you can already see corrosion, all green stuff. Then on the inside are two copper plates. I cleaned it once, and then the module operated fine for a few months, and then it suddenly said low battery, and it went offline, and the batteries were not at all empty. So I wanted to get to the circuit board. But how do you separate these two parts? Well, there are two screws inside these two holes, but they are not Allen keys, they are Torx. It is the Torx, a very small one. It should be T9. T9, yes. That fits properly. So T9, that's what you need. But a short one like this does not have enough reach, because this is a few centimeters long. So you need a T9 Torx with a length of at least 5 centimeters, and it can't be wider than just this small bit, and that is 3.5 millimeters. So yeah, so that's the way to open it the correct way. I didn't, so it's definitely broke now because I cracked it open. In here, in plastic, there is this brass part, threaded part, and that's where this small screw gets into to hold down the main board, and that is this part. This is all plastic. It's got a rubber seal. This is probably the Wi-Fi antenna. Let me get this off. All right. And here you see the two small surfaces. The surfaces that the batteries connect to, and they get corroded over time because the module is outside, and due to condensation, yeah, well, it corrodes. So I try to clean it with a cotton tip with alcohol, and you can see that over here all the blue coloring disappeared, and it exposed the copper, which in turn turned green. So, well, that's probably why they don't want you to clean it with the liquid. Well, it's a very small board. No idea what is on it. I will make a picture and post it. Oh, there it goes. Maybe it is a possibility to solder wires on these two contacts and pull the wires through this plastic housing. This is aluminum, by the way, and then externally energize it. It says debug over here. Interesting.